So I am here with Bryan Stevenson on our Scanoe trip in Lake Arthur, and since Bryan can't catch any real size fish, he's trying to catch minnows with his fly. How you feel about that, Bryan?
Feel pretty good.
Not man enough to catch the big fish, huh? We got our nice little setup here. 47 pound thrust trolling motor, 2 batteries. Bryan's I can't catch any fish lures, and this monster net that I'm going to use to bring in a fish that's a fucking monster.
Give me that fucking net.
You ain't gonna catch nothing with that thing.
You don't think?
Dude, I don't think you could catch anything with a mile wide fishing net. Maybe a bluegill. You ain't got nothing.
Holy fuck. This is illegal, by the way.
Holy shit, here we go. Gonna get arrested. Bryan forgets the map, then forgets the stringer. Now we're gonna get us arrested because you're trying to catch shit with a fucking net. Oh man, this ain't gonna get you anything. Oh, look at that, Bryan. Look at that big fish in there. Whew. Sure you can pick that up?
Where'd they all go?
Away from you. Look at this beautiful water out here. Let's say September 4th. You're so fat you're gonna flip over the dock. Thunder thighs. And it's beautiful out here. Make sure I upload this for my friends, and particularly my buddy Paul Rickett, because I know that he loves to fish out there on the west coast. Nice area out here. It's a good day.